Hi, it's Habiba from Craftify my love, and welcome to video 2 out of my 5-part Felt Flower series. Here's a little sneak peek. Today we're going to make those pretty Marguerite daisies together. I will be using a cutting machine, and maybe you too, so for delicate cuts sometimes freezer paper is a very good support. Download the free SVG file from my blog. You'll find the link in the info section, and start cutting out those 36 petals in 2 different sizes you'll be needing. The bummer of using freezer paper is that you will have to peel the petals off of it again, but it's worth it. It still saves time than cutting them out by hand. For the Marguerite's core, we will be cutting 2 rectangles. I use zigzag scissors to give the core some more structure or detail. You'll find the measurements up on the blog post as well. And then we will start gluing the thinner rectangle around our little pom-pom. As easy as that. When you start gluing on the thicker rectangle, make sure that the straight edges align, so you will have the structure on top later on. And then we're almost ready to start gluing our first layer of the thinner petals around the core. Just line them up easily. Keep on doing until you have reached a full circle, and then you will add the second layer using the bigger petals. If you happen to have some leftovers, that's no problem. You can either fill in some gaps to make your flower even thicker, or simply make another one. And there you have it. Almost done. Here it is. Isn't she pretty? I think the Marguerite Daisy is my favorite out of this 5-part series. Make sure to click on over to the next video to see how to make one or all of the other 5 felt flowers. And if you hop down to the info section, I'll even show you the finished project I made with all of these. Now, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Happy crafting! Bye bye!